to ensure the timely supply of oil. From the transparent visual window on the left and right pusher plates, the residual bottom threads in the bobbin can be observed at any time. They are applicable to the ornamental seam of garments like jeans, skirts, overcoats, and uniforms, and the edge pressing sewing. MY8842Z Automatic Thread Cutting Double Needle Lock Stitch Sewing Machine. Such machines have adopted the unique design and feature smooth and beautiful appearance. The adoption of the double needle puncturing mechanism, the sliding bar thread taking up mechanism, and the vertical rotating hook thread hooking mechanism can form the two-row double thread lock stitches. The computer control system can function in automatic needle stop and automatic thread cutting. The adoption of synchronous feeding by the needle bar swing and the feed dog can ensure the even stitches and prevent the slippage of sewing materials. The rotary disc for regulating the stitch length and the lever-type forward and backward feeding mechanism make the operation simpler. The upper and lower shafts have adopted the ball bearings and the timing bells for driving. The driving is stable with a small vibration and low noise. The plunger oil pump lubrication system can ensure the machine to get sufficient lubrication at high speed and low speed rotation. Such machines are applicable to the sewing of jeans, uniforms, and overcoats. MY8737, 8747, 8757 high-speed 4-thread over edges. Such machines are handy and flexible and feature a high rotation speed, low noise, small vibration, and beautiful stitches. The tension of the stitch threads is small. During the high-speed sewing, the stable and beautiful stitches can be sewn. The needle bar thread taking up and the ultra-large thread amount regulating mechanism can adapt to the sewing of different materials. The needle bar adopts the guide rod sliding type, which reduces the weight of the needle framework part. The application of needle framework counterbalance effectively reduces the vibration of the machine. The special treatment on the needle bar surface improves the hardness and strength of the needle bar and ensures the service life of the machine. The one-way movable throwing device makes the threading simpler and faster. The large diameter throwing device provides sufficient threads during the sewing process, effectively prevents the thread jumping, and ensures the stable and beautiful stitches. The lever-type differential regulation device can accurately regulate the differential ratio and obtains the high-quality stitches. MY600 high-speed cylinder bed interlock sewing machine. After the technical improvement, the perimeter of the base for such machines is only 270 mm, which makes the sewing of the necklines and cuffs of children's wear easier and handier. The improved differential regulating mechanism and the synchronous regulation of the main feeding and the differential feeding can realize the independent regulation of the stitches length and the differential ratio. They are user-friendly. The looper driving mechanism of the latest design makes the driving of the looper more reliable and stable. The top stitches and bottom stitches have adopted the HR to prevent thread breakage, skipping stitches, melting of materials, and obstruction of needle holes under high temperature due to frictions between the thread, needle, and materials. The portable needle guard can protect the machine needle, reduce abrasion, prevent the skipping stitches, keep the stable and beautiful stitches. On the machine head, the copper pipe and linoleum have been used for the forced oil drainage, which can effectively control the oil amount at the needle bar and eliminate the oil leakage. The full closed automatic lubrication system can ensure the cleanness of the lubrication and improve the abrasion resistance ability of the machine. The newest design of the foot lifting mechanism is more handy and flexible. After thread release, the thread tensioner can recover the original state stably. The main shaft has adopted the high-precision imported bearings, so that such machines feature a high rotary speed, low torque, and durable. The internal structures of the machine are simple and easy for the maintenance and regulation. MY500 Ultra-Speed Platform Interlock Sewing Machine Series. Such machines have various special machine types. They can carry out multifunction tasks by being equipped with different accessories to adapt to the demands from different sewing. The improved differential regulating mechanism and the synchronous regulation of the main feeding and the differential feeding can realize the independent regulation of the stitch length and the differential ratio. It's user-friendly. The top stitches and bottom stitches have adopted the HR and SP to prevent the line breakage, skipping stitches, melting of materials, and obstruction of needle holes under the high temperature due to frictions between the thread, needle, and materials. The portable needle guard can protect the machine needle, reduce abrasion, prevent the skipping stitches, and keep the stable and beautiful stitches. On the machine head, the copper pipe and linoleum have been used for the forced oil drainage, which can effectively control the oil amount at the needle bar and eliminate the oil leakage. The full closed automatic machine oil system can ensure the cleanness and the machine oil and can improve the abrasion resistance ability of the machine. The newest design of the presser foot lifting mechanism is more handy and flexible. After the thread release, the young trapper can recover the original state stably. The principal shaft has adopted the high-precision and important bearings, so that such machines feature a high rotary speed, low torque, and durable. The internal structures of the machine are simple and easy for the maintenance and debugging. Model MY8928PL high-speed 3-needle feet-of-the-arm chain stitch machine. Such machines have adopted the feet-of-the-arm frame. They are key equipment for the cylinder garment sewing of different specifications and dimensions. The adoption of the needle bar thread taking up and bending needle thread hooking can form the 3-needle 3-chain stitch. The maximum sewing speed can reach 4,000 needles per minute. The machines are applicable to the sewing of thin and medium-thick materials. It has adopted the joint feeding by the cloth pulling wheel and the differential feeding mechanism and are applicable to the sewing of thick and extremely thick materials. During the sewing, the feeding is smooth and reliable. Also, the dislocation and creepage of materials can be prevented. In the cross-seam sewing, such machines are convenient and fast. The machines are equipped with the convenient threading mechanisms, so the threading is simple and fast. Machines with different needle spacing are available. MY008 multi-needle chain sewing machine. Such machines have adopted the platform sewing work table, the multi-needle needle bar mechanism, needle bar thread taking up, multi-looper thread hooking, feed dog feeding to form the multi-needle multi-chain stitches. They are ideal for the ornamental sewing of knitting materials for the children's wear, underwear, sportswear, and women's wear. The sewing speed reaches 3000 SPM. The sewing performance is stable, the moment light, noise low, vibration small, and rotation stable and smooth. As required by the sewing procedures, the ornamental top stitch frames can be added or cancelled. Needle gauge covers from 8 needle to 33 needles. Machine types of different specifications are available for users.